Miss Sally, Sebi, wa industry mu na unima Abeiku Santana, and the kind of contribution Sebi what or the abwa industry mu na say such an appointment eba na afa na obeka say ebia he doesn't deserve it. Na ebia, excuse me to say one person, you don't know what you're about, kakra. I know so opinion, obia when your opinion there, but Abeiku yo bia. Sebe ohwe ejuma waye se ne woke kan ye kra ne me ya obobo so no kra kire he's somebody, he's been on the field for so many years until he knows what he's doing. Ghana answer ade ba ko pe ya na ba ko ya me hu say most of the time we deal with experienced people. Yes, like the more experienced you are, the better you be at your job. And this is the manner to me who say a banner experience sebi or experience papa so many years of journalism. And I know say sebi president no me sure say obefa obia keke or show any near we any like the kind of contribution you've been able to make to that particular sector. And sana what to me appointed will say ebia say ana say ni say into no I feel say Abeiku die ne die me personally me ni mo bi die but me personally die me jeno wa akoma paso papa me feel say with the kind of managerial skills the kind of experience he's had, and especially even in the tourism sector no he's well deserved any position I know say he can like well execute it. I have no doubt about it. And no, congratulations to him. He's been somebody we were all praying, just like you were saying, we were all praying, say, Sebi, he will get as a dear yepa, Obi said, yepa, ni aha, baby, yepa see a donation, a wa, and our empire near, boss, baby, I didn't rano. What we are expecting of him, no, Sebi, Obi to me, execute. Because it told me being so I know I will be best. I know I did bubbles and I know Anna. Ye the 8 year into empire in I ever say, yeah, the better in it. Say, obey to me, I execute a positioner, yeah, the man.